enso dia maboboku a ye fa no se Milano no obeste na dia ma oni owura na ye fa no se Paulo Fonseca wo montem aye basane se wo de hwade coach bia wo be so bench player ana so the player etena bench bia no what me from an office ebia chale ana me hu yo na udwumadi awdina wo fom enti ebia otena won start ojitum sanke bia obekire mu nenso babi a obete entiremu anase bi explanation a manager for Fonseca edebema no aye press conference ase any pre-match coach na ba no se na bia wan start aye Rafael obete an ana no form akofom e wa ono boy no eni hu nkomo bia akoro no sesane mani nyina no ne ha enom ana ma one manager relationship no ensom aye basa ebesi ne ya ye de aye hu nsem nyina no ensom ama ye tefo ensom awo show no so na Roma team ekọ say wo mo pe David Fratesi yese Roma for no kwai Inter for say wo mo no omonye so mo beton na se omo beton so dia ene ade bia on the price wo mo nje less than 40 ekosim aye 45 million euros na se between 40 and 45 million euros no enom aye amount aboboku a ye fa no se na Azuris edimande and se na Roma ebenya player ye fa no se Fantasia wo mo so set me akantinai also mo hye no so eno enso aye update aba awo bamunten story bia wo so to bia me dia ma dada Thomas Muller dia me be kan na anu ya afei aye omo makanyina me dia ba mu siala mu nyina me dia ba no and the update woman say Nanka Real Madrid and him say we met me sign Alfonso Davies I'm a boy no wa join for free na me ya beto just say boy no woman come and say ya juma so be stente and no pay report to me nyano Max Elbal aba so try na omo we do 10 say woman nyama Davies enko na in the next days dear me report to me say kan say akodan no and some betimi adwane boboku a ya na so betimi extend ne deal no and some adiama team no and no update about Graham Potter yes so pe Ben Chilwell about West Ham na and no kakra banacha so so ade na wo be so Soma komu Jonah Mike se bibia okay dia unum sam na Friday na mesa metesa yeso pani bi ono ye kan se producer and perform fan chame obi o produce ayapon movie na chese de sabi boys no attack no pono obakọ na kwabra na TPC ya ma so research na jese mo hwade ya na opani no produce ayapon ana yese sabi game from you mama me anu abama no de wose de nyame boy won pe onya cross multiplication na mom parallel lines na game for ko wo pani no produce pon so pani yenso na besi ye binti bra na produce ye opani no so me kwa sorry papa mesum nyame yo ahomachi bia me sore bompae hey what's one otua tight just onfa ni nyame sum ania groba ku say na sidia no obi a nyame sum ewo ni mu a just onya nipa bone na kuma mute a just wo chema no so obi aso Bible say wanya manu wanya mame wo yema no so obi aso wo so o produce sabi game for dia ono ye pom an wo twa na enye bone o nyame anim osum nyame pa ono no produce pom no say osum nyame and the boys no me camera say see when ma you be only credit boys no me only credit no me there having gate o me na ko bi ho ana wonye nyame sum ni ara
so me direct
game for be enu there
I say nyame sum
oh nyame sum on pa so when out me say oh nyame sum woni mu Bible say men judge no na be judge aten na be bu aten we listen we don't judge
and there
I want to put it by now
oba enyo fofraba mafio koko mafio koko hey I salute you, Betalo Legaya for the dada. So say my say we be Vini Economic Country Shema. And we are seeing the son that Vinicius Mafio, you Mafio, co.
Vinny the baby boy.
Nipanyo.
Vinny the baby other.
Oh, boys, no said the many as yaje. I'm a tipo no story.
Dabio, na me tias you fancy. O form you know we straight. Owo oso uta. Owo me no so owo straight. I be fetch na ba be yi da owo be twa house we Christo di.
No say or direct way pornography.
Boni bi sim boni bi ala.
O say
boni bi sim boni bi ala.
Me nim see o meet be e determine that. But catch yourself, the Christian values does not allow that.
But his Christian values allows him to direct a pornography movie.
Maybe a deep dive will expose certain angles back in the theory. No?
Okay.
So once the Bible mudo, for instance, or no audition say obey the next queen. Esther no mo yede, omo question in the chamber no mo yede. I don't know who's the way there or so many into na me wire no way there no who twa na. Test ni na physical one ne sensual ones ni na ka ho bia na. Nje no na ebone. Director say, "Oya Christo suni, one de adwuma ba ko pe no ye. Obe direct pornography, but about the gay for their own to me. Yente director say. In the Christian values does not allow that. No, it's simple. And I like him. He's a principled man. Oh, so Christo so many shayan in your me dear guaquem and penesuman yasa. Oh, I like him. On to us.
Okay.
On to us. So a pornographer. So pornographer. And the mafio, me say mafio,
The coming national.
That's how we did 21.
Papa no impolo le say. Or direct polo le say there be. Uncle direct member me no bokoye no because Bible cassette here.
Ya ma ye ni amria. Ense ba ye beto ya som no. Ye ne girls ne ti asoro na etu omufo a adwamamo nye ntoma dwe omuzo ori obi sika ye eno nye bone. Ne mum adwamamo na enye.
So football drama so.
But if you drummed home that point, adwamamo no munyai. And the girls we no mudi kokosa kodi obi untra bare false testimony we enye hwe se we de enye hwe. What more direct pono no. Na mema me enu de na untimi direct. Ye chiko kwa yedi ni mai.
Osum nya be.
Kizozum ni en kasentia pono no. Nemo mema me enu de na kasentia. Ya bre okrom ha.
Untimi da.
Ya bre fa.
like you are director one.
Shakai.
Isa munyi no obi ani je ho.
Oh no, hey. Omo ya no omo kaya na makoye na me de opa yem bisa public akokomia help no there bi. But me hwe office anu aba be gina me chi. Ma me hwe bi.
That didn't be a retweetable MTL.
OKT. Oh. Anya nas, nti se me ba na nas. Abehwe internet ne so say aha menkwa, aha kwa OKT be ba wo. Wo be ko no, no akwakofa obi etare obi achi boni dog. Neda wo desktop no so. Nti no say no, first na say ko chinchin.
This only the about what data. Do not open this thread in public.
Me am me go. Eno no ye dey ha. Ni bia na pono ni hyan ase o.
Sight and sound. Sight and sound. Na say the who ne dia what.
Do not open in public.
Do not open thread. Also because of how Elon Musk aye tie onu say no. Wa mo bia freedom.
Do not open thread in public.
Do not open thread in public.
Wait, you won't last 2 minutes. Do not open this thread in public.
Bishop.
You will when you see you will last 2 minutes
in public.
It's there Elon Musk or X
so make us first no. One na na coaching.
It first not me be her comment no.
Utimi ko hwepo no wo coaching.
Wo coaching no akọ.
And then unkasa okra na.
So nipa ata you are too much. Oh, okay. But do Julius I
feel about I said the etia wali abri PY so say full is are
no because
over the strict
access oh. Edem free bonto. No be bisa so mo ye den answer be na me de beko. Ene ka de no me chimi ne ma mi mum. Ono be na chen no. Asam ne em who wa fa ne tra bi ta keke.
It is the influence is huge. The influence is huge. It's easy.
So be so mo hwepo no no.
And who be all call robbery already can kwaso them ko bom paira.
Sabi obi bi sam.
It was say
Yankopon to nsuo. Amana ka se ha de sabi. Adwamamofo na ti ante on to nsuo man ko da. Let's
was it the Bible channel and say bema and oba. Ejem bema ne bema. Bema de
on camera nsuo ba de bema.
Hono na asem no hono na say memu aten.
We listen.
We don't judge.
Fancy. Good morning. Let me say transfer marketing mo ayeshipa. Ehiti. Na ehiti no yan sha se fan free Italy. Juventus eni abrace on befa Ronald Araujo and ne free Barcelona. Na who se Barca fans ni bi koko apai. Say ya sure Araujo ne ball a boy. Ene ne quality ya. Ebo na ye keka ne nyoma ne bebia Juventus this kan ne nam no ye ni nye ho. Na Laporta munye bibi mfanfa ho. No kra ne ye say Juventus first proposal a wode come Barcelona ne ye say ye be fa no on loan for 5 million euros. Ye fa no on loan for 5 million euros at the end of the season say otimibo this number of games achieve say ya ye be trigger a clause I Chelsea bet mafano on a permanent deal. And on Yabetria 20 million euros plus 5 million euros add-ons. Menemo ka say Juventus aye o Madrid say the salary are original 8 million euros a year or Barcelona no. Juventus betchemu 2 no matria half na Barca so atria half. Now another 20 plus 5 no Barcelona supporters ni say David. Quality na ekuta no oye 80 million 85 million. We are Barcelona fan me say scanner wo bobo ne scanner wo penny there be realistic it won't happen. Nobody has said say Ronald Araujo on your quality player or your quality, but we check the injury history of Ronald Araujo, you will begin to understand the reason why Barcelona kwampo ni abre say mo person mo ton no mane ko na Juventus any brain na agina say after say Gelson Bremer call in China omunya replacement bi amane fam be shemu me bon fam mo Pierre Kalulu any Gatti and about the back line edema Juventus na before Bremer ebe kono ni enina ni mahode ana ekuta Juventus wo akire any the quality ana mo dan di ba me no tie ka say die the injury history Ronald Araujo e wono ho any pra enani ni ochina ne ankle na watwe hamstring okomirika wa yese no baby Barcelona gina say no they will need to release him as soon as possible na onko na first kaso nye dey enfambra scan ba omo be okay Juventus susu be nyomo center back omo so pe no so otimi bo season the more one na 6 months loan na aka no otimi kobo no empra hallelujah it's an investment a risk obi a pay baby di no ho akwakoye dey akwakoshe Sarah kubetimi aboa me in the folder na de to so mienu ame say Kvaratskhelia anti me hu say eno a ojam abanten tan so anani age hu Liverpool yes. But baby agina say no a forward domino effect ojam
Ghana 40
Mrs. say no baby agina say no obi to obi a forward edi na ko domino no say dane no ho ukofa we a we ba be fa we abehye mu ukofa we a we ba be fa we abehye sa na ekọ na eto ato aso omo ye involved in here Rashford Federico Chiesa Kvaratskhelia Kolomwani these 4 players Manchester United Liverpool Napoli and Paris Saint-Germain it is already these 4 clubs now they are TNA Kvaratskhelia baby on original say in the contract no ebewu June 2027 it Napoli won pre ne say contract no eba be wunte o say turn as soon as possible na mum Napoli etna se hwe almost starting lineup results omanya no recently no mo hwe ska eba no ho na e ska komo ne extend the contract na no na komo di be shem say so obi pese oto fa wo ne club mu a eno ne ebeje which is between 80 million euros to 90 million euros sisi ano owon chen a we pra kakra omobi without him Napoli for 2 years say o ma hye Genoa o ma hye Venezia o ma hye Fiorentina ana o ma hye Udine almost 9 goals in these 4 games without him. And Omoji say David Neres, Subaye no, afei na all pick your resource no so koye dey Edemano. Napoli is even starting to stick with the formation of the 3-5-2, not with the 3-4-3. So 2 na wa ni mu ho no. Neres. Any Romelu Lukaku. In 15-3 na ombeka fullbacks no and I say wing backs no. Lobotka, Anguissa, any Scott McTominay. Scott no crowd automatically to the be on so timi move call wings and also timi bo as a 10. Etimi bo Napoli. So mo call with a 3-4-2-1. That means left half space on ebe as the number 10. Iti komu ye okay and come beti maye. Iti o check baby akwa skelia creating the chances ni dia free ni nyina na. Yehwe options ni ye. Most of the chances creation comes from the left hand side of the pitch. Anosai ambidextrous. Obo right, esabo left. Iti otimi cross in swing, otimi cross out swing. No abo ne diaba, no abo ne diaba, no abo ne diaba. So you look at it and you understand the reason why these clubs are interested in him. Now let's weigh the options. Per Napoli options no me and the baby almost need the scan of here. Oh, 80 to 90 million euros are add-ons inclusive are fire day.
Fabra exchange.
It's Napoli there. Ne ton and almost share anymore. Now so more ton replacement on more anymore ye Federico Chiesa. So Marco Fanny ne free Liverpool aba Antonio Conte ne di anymore. Omanya na almost also per Fratesi. Scan compost unto muji to me say betimi afa Fratesi asafa Chiesa. Edi naba. No my hands so almost squad no but Inter Milan so Napoli at say Fratesi deal no. Omo strengthen omo position. Ah omo ni pre-league. No aba beje. Edi esi na so to Chiesa and the realistic option. But with PSG, the left wing no how many players? Or Bakola. I say what Desire do. Now Desire do any better na say machine tit. Edi are say na Vincent company ne buy me can ya brace or more permanent den. Ba manko. Ana me say ma be body ama Paris Saint-Germain. It's all for scale at naba. Ye nyina nim say between omo miensa no scale na be bro Desire do any Bakola no so in terms of quality. But with form, Bakola no form Echen scale this season due to the number of goals Bakola ashe. Edema PSG this season ni assist why. Baka scale e kwa Adam is Desire do position ni be yasem ana Bakola so je so ne scale ahead echebo. Ti PSG ebetua 80 million for a player a obey rotation ana. Ana se Bakola no on beton ana Desire do no on beton bako. Liverpool omo left wing Luis Diaz and Cody Gakpo. And slot by no me ati asese Cody Gakpo onye number 9. Cody Gakpo left winger. Even when I was omo use obi as the first number 9, omo use Cody Gakpo. Omo use Luis Diaz. Iti ho no 2 players wings on into okwa Gakpo betena bench. Ama kwa scale abo games ni nyina anaso omo be dey. Manchester United so baby omo gina no so no Alejandro Garnacho ano mo Marcus Rashford ano mo Tom Marcus Rashford because AC Milan no World Cup for kwan amana ko RB Leipzig deal near almost done and obako in the medicals meaning AC Milan will push forward for Marcus Rashford so more fun Manchester United will need to replace replace here PSG no efa bi ni PSG no so be o Madrid so omo nja Desire dey o kwa omo nja Bakola kwa Kolomwani no muja no kwan it Manchester United will look into it and see said abi Kolomwani ene kwa scalia ye twa ska for wine na eba ye wo ska loan salary ti say o opinion nyina mu a Manchester United na kasa be bi omo gina se ni omo sika sem no they will have to sell before they get someone in and Manchester United will 80 million or the quarter kwa scalia January way it is a question for the goals. Unless they go into the loan option and make sure someone sabiti mark sign him B, which is Kolomwani, that looks so much clear. Some Manchester United could get him, no more than Aba. Now Kolomwani no, now who are they to say? Not to say. Maybe to me say or one player, the only coach or the best out of him was Oliver Glasner. Tamano or Eintracht Frankfurt. Now the star night to say Isaac, and already the rare Kolomwani city tiana. Ultimately living up to expectation, but playing under a coach that could maximize the potential, no, you'll be very happy. Say more or less, obetimi amount the results. And in your mouth, what you share, abra ututu na basa, no managing ye. Fancy, baby ati o checking the statistics and then the goals and then in your year no in Eintracht Frankfurt 2022-2023 season baby I know Gina no share the goals no he became a fox in the box or Eintracht Frankfurt. So you look at the statistics on the screen and you do understand say baby I know most of the shots in no inside the penalty box where Alexander Isak Motimia transforming themselves come into the penalty box and they are giving you the results. That is where he is.
Okay.
It's fancy. Kolomwani could be an option for Manchester United because Utimi play across all the front lines. And baby Ojina say no so no. Onya coach obetima maximize the quality and the potential na ekutano.
Wo, meza mate me da say me ba Mr. Boaduo na me de Bishop and so every Mike.
Fancy. UEFA no. It's a disaster. Our clean injury record. I don't know more.
Sports. No, so there's Sanka Koulibaly if we win the
disaster. Arahu pra long-term injury. Afe no aba. There is no guarantees or betimi sustain. Who will replace you be away pra with another player with a checkered injury a year history. Disaster or bonus or from Kakra. Mama nyesa. Chairman I
but the Ashil Munina Crabit.
There be disaster na Uncle Juve. Ebebuano. Ya be James wa mami ya ne mo be din common kama ma bibia ye okay. Why? Nti mo mra befa. Ai. Axel disaster. You say. Ya pe disaster. Disaster. Why? Disaster na. Fancy. You see, Ayana
Pacho mo complain say TV na take on sorry Mike. I'm so more share be ban say shark me so mo check my why because messages na Fladiana e flood ba a comment section on the show.
Football fans often analyze, criticize, condemn players without situating things in the proper context. I am mostly, we are moved by the emotions, the passions. Now saying cry that the other can't cry. Send a bet, and say I know player no fan chow cry. I'm sure some of catch or no. So I had not yet take or more say, but we rather have a go at them. In the case of Jude Bellingham, season started, he had a very difficult start to the campaign. So check here. And a lot were marking. Now Bellingham goes on share while match we were about one share go. No more market, clean sheet. There was this explanation to it we did not pay attention to. One, now you're back off and now you're back into the season right off a year the back of an international competition. That's your boy international competition a year. Don't forget Madrid season no ball before this one no or stretch it pa. Bellingham no for instance he played 43 matches last season. Or the club there can were bro. Then or the Kobo Euro Sanso can had little time to rest and even Real Madrid team did not have enough time for pre-season. So he was entering the season when he was not in the prime physical condition. Intibone di onimbo. But say was he a CSC no at the transfer season next start here, he will be ready in terms of the physical aspect and everything. Send a technical be ready. Now wait me about season ye. Into what check here, Madrid players need be even the Madrid team. I feel no find the form. The last time they lost was in December to Athletic Bilbao. If you on they've gone on a 6-game winning streak. So perhaps more physical conditioning has picked up and it has improved for the right time. I was seizing him. And that is how individual players are starting to show how brilliant they are. Check Rodrigo. How many goals in the last 4 matches? Vini, Mbappe. Almost say almost the joke crash or na so static cache mono. And Mbappe goals in Aba. These were players who were not in their right physical condition. But Emre of course you omo adwuma no. Omo a change, they have improved. And this is the explanation. Yes, starting season, Bellingham gave an assist in the Super Cup.
Yes.
Against Atlanta. Then he started season 1 Shego. Then he suffered an injury. In the latter part of August, Oprai, a muscle injury, and I didn't call out for a month in September. Bellingham was virtually not available for Real Madrid. Wamobi. Then he had to come back. Into player started season of physical condition and then you know what sounds we pra a true quetch the cry. Into a bar back no. He went on a 16-game scoreless run in all competitions for Madrid. And almost start here clean sheet. Say no more yeko. Then the November turnaround came. Why November turnaround? El Honon was starting here to give us what he delivered last season. In two check here. In November, Onyago Onya assist against Osasuna. Oshego against Leganes. Oshego assist again against Getafe. Oshego against Bilbao. He scored a goal and assisted in the same game against Girona. Atlanta in the Champions League, Oshego. Rayo Vallecano, Oshego. Against Valencia, he gave a goal and an assist. And then Mallorca, Enra, Oshego. So in the last 11 games, Bellingham has produced 9 goals. And that justifies the turnaround, providing 4 assists in the process. In fact, in 4 of the games, our ball during the stretch of 11 games, match Nimu 4, Oshego Sanso assisting. So a player well on form, very rich form. It justifies at the start of the season he was not ready, but now he's ready. And the second round of the La Liga campaign, and even in the Champions League, Real Madrid, because they have their best players picking up and then hitting their peak at the right time. But we my friend or more picky. And we all know what they are capable of doing. And it's all more picky they are. Makan Bellingham there, Vini there, Rodrigo there, Mbappe there, Beckham. Imagine what this Madrid team can do. So to me, I dread how Madrid will handle the second round of the campaign. I'm here. The major competitions they are in.
Wow.
They did not start the season well, but they might end up finishing the season well and ending up with trophies as well. But again, fancy. The belly, I mean, yeah, imagine the CISO. They can rise. I think they can ask them growl. Anna,
rise as some days.
The headlines that Bellingham is stealing.
Yes.
Our Real Madrid, no. It was expected, say, level of impact, Anna declares the Bemas in our team, Bellingham has proven, even at his young age, he's a leader. Captain's armband name Bono, but on the pitch, we all know how he inspires and how he leads. Declares in the Arsenal setup. But the more from an infant, Mammy and Judge, Mammy and conclude.
Because that's a buzz I will not any sikama. And you know, from the start.
Exactly, and we're £100 million signing, 5 big rat tattoo add-ons.
Oh, on a guitar British record, no.
But that's it. So, can we look at the Declan Rice transfer and answer questions to it? Say, justified. Say, Arsenal paid such an amount for him and now. You enjoy for another day. But Ashley Young's story now, you know. Fancy, and especially coming from Nipan and Amnes whereby Darren Ferguson is a beneficiary of such legacy moments in football. Darren Ferguson is Alex Ferguson's son. Alex Ferguson, no. Good. Honorable Manchester United by virtue of Nepapa. And if you are looking at Premier League records, legacy moments in the Premier League, coaches are omoba kwenyama bo in the Premier League. Where can we be? There is the story of Brian Clough, Oneneba Nigel, Omana kwenyama ni Bobby, Nottingham Forest, Steve Bruce, Hull City, Omaneba Alex Bruce Bebobi. Alex Ferguson here the same thing. Oma Darren Ferguson Bebobi for Manchester United. Wanya the San Kenya in the cup competitions and in the Premier League.
Is it Diego Simeone and Zomaneba boy and so bo?
And also bo. You get the point. And toward Darren Ferguson, you understand what some of these moments mean. And it is not a gamer. Peterborough, no, move me winning. Game, no. After the Madrid game, I went to steal a glance. In the second half, just one shot on target. Just one shot on target in the second half. And clearly, I don't think it was something we wanted to salvage something in the game, and they made them the best players in the game. I think he has denied Ashley Young and then Ebano Tyler a fine moment and in the history of a cup competition and even in English football.
Because our boys is where we are.
Exactly the point. And Darren Ferguson here in the Come on. There are certain things you don't prioritize a potential draw or penalty shootout over. This was a legacy moment for the young family and has been denied by Darren Ferguson, the beneficiary of this same legacy moment. It is very bad on his part to be doing that. No careful. From the Red Bull family, had an excellent time in Austria. Anna, the Milan transfer was supposed to catapult him to the next level. But unfortunately, when no nimbo but to prepare. And oba Milan no. Baby a obono. Ye wo hini bi wo no bo ho dada ejinidi. Into who prepare wonya consistent. And alia one so obo. So I had difficult the amano. But again, he is entering into a family he knows too well. That is the Red Bull. But when in Austria, Germany. So he gets the opportunity to play in one of the top 5 leagues in Europe. Top competitions, Champions League, the DFB Pokal, and even in the Bundesliga. So Achia Mbuye, he has a fine opportunity to relaunch his career, and maybe one of the big clubs will come calling again. But a good move for him, and I wish him the best.
Okay, well, Mike, me da say, my member Bishop, now Bishop, and for you, woman, and Bishop.
Fancy.
So where there?
Oh, Yamiadum.
On crowd me ho.
Masum.
Sompa Sports.
Mate.
Masum. Come any bray, yaw, pam pam. Come any bray, a yaw.
Wait.
Obre. No show. So pardon you, so dear. This all is cut at all. It's no. In your way, I feel now coffee will be in patrol. Palace and yes, 80 million to the entire Frankfurt.
Oh, Petit Palais au Corda. A fine eatery. Petit Palais. A beautiful.
So when you are buying because when I'm getting down to you, we go Kalesa could be a word.
Como de phone, you
Man, you say, because me, French now, man, can't grow on.
Pale.
Where
Atico Madrid.
Well, see, no crab up there. Mamouche, no, is going to shatter ceilings. See, fancy.
When you born,
Me say me Kokan, they be say Abdul Monaim, no,
eh,
or say go back to Egypt.
omo ye homesick.
So, until share one sign with you. Frankfurt. Now you are number 5 alcohol on the free. Almost tongue for 80 million. Omanyam Fasubum. Okobo Manchester City. Arguably one of the best clubs in the world.
Yeah.
If not the best. What sign with Chakohin? And until I say Zizo or Koha or back to Egypt. Back we the number friend Maradona no. Also Konenam in England no cry. No
Zakiana.
Stoke. No about small boy kitty bina or coach Ghana under 23 for now.
Gedo.
Small boy be.
So oba Kumasi na krabi.
Obabi.
Yeah.
Obabi.
Yeah.
So
And the three in Guzu style.
Madam Sobi. Nanu ye Imam Ashor.
Sompa Sports.
Imam Ashor is also called Midland. And no sign back. Until when your opportunity akumia, he has to go. Again, what Manchester City are showing the rest of the English teams, and say, "Sir, okwa here more, get into the market and solve your problems." In an ESA Chelsea, scattergun approach many. Many Madrid are messed because they've not been successful in any form. Send a bear standard, and have they been successful? Where is the success? Enzo, Lavia, Caicedo, me and saying in Liverpool pe omo. Much in Liverpool sa agi players because most car
Still, yeah, no, that's what my come.
na ya oni nyina echi no wako sha wasatu endo and the Gravenberch our final na Gravenberch no we pra Caicedo akotia ne nazo yi na free when timi an sha wasatu endo ni academic is be no ma the cap free them. Where is the barometer? Ichi. Kofi Boachi, Me are top players, no. Most success barometer near then. But you could clearly see, said the players they bought, they are coming in handy. It was going to take time for them to gel. And Mokai said, hey, now they say you managed to win him. Nottingham Forest, Obabodamana. There was one window they sent like 15 players.
Yeah.
So you get it. But and then look at them. They have no success barometer, just like Chelsea. But they are outperforming expectations.
Yes.
Who would have thought by now I'm beating my bed first? The second. Now almost Liverpool Tuesday, about 3 points. Who would have thought? Fancy. Into Manchester City, Omako RC Loans. Eko for small boy defender. No. Friend say Kushanov. Omako Palmeiras. And I was almost far back so
Rice. No.
You get it. Rice no first time meeting in Canaan called Brighton. No.
Yeah.
Me now Oma TSC no. So squad planning at some point. Yenhwe Akanji is not for the long term. Ruben Dias wouldn't be like this. On the they were starting this in the Tracy. John Stones. Look, squad planning need be rebuild no. And there cost behind the scenes no. Pep 2.0 and our City 2.0. But Mamouche should follow the footsteps of Salah and never look back.
Mamouche, you know. I said, Gyökeres na no be attention one or something and I can't Gyökeres no. But none in numbers near similar to.
So,
I don't know crowds on sign yet to be number 9.
Ultimate ball across the front three. So why not? It's a good gamble. And Rana Michael Kasan and Kayama Isaac and Konone. The name Mamouche. So what I say. Kiri.
For goals from open play, Bundesliga ranked number 1 for shots. Bundesliga ranked number 1 for assists. 7 for chances created. 3rd for take-ons.
Tunya we ya. Gyökeres do remember why he goes.
I think the name Manone Salah ya so. Salah was also on top form time over Liverpool.
Yeah, for Roma. So now here we are. We know the neighbors is here. Our 6 months of preseason. 3 Buntu. No expectation.
Yeah.
City Asa. We don't expect them to outdo themselves. Until Orban, the expectation will be low. For the first 6 months, we have a Bobby or English Premier League. Now, or call break in the bar or the ball. You know, some man for complain. He said, what is the downside? There's only one downside. Next year, the ball AFCON in December. So, but you see, there is something to show. You see, a bit to me, some around in Ghana. We've been here before. I say, I can't say we now. I am on for Nyabutraka. You got 2010 World Cup now, you're buying. You know, John Mensa said on Samoa Janmo. I think there was another player, Suleiman Tyran. I don't know if it was Sunderland. Got ACN. Oh, no more. Premier League Native Bobo said, we were. Now we were. It's like we've been there before. We've been there. Kudja Samoa, Udni, Kudja Samoa, AC Milan. I'm sorry, Juventus. No, then they are far. But you see, into the Mayan Adibia, Mayan baby, but they are shattering the ceiling. Sompa Sports. Yes, Abdul Munaim, any Ramadan Sobi, any Imam Ashoma, or Mukabrucha, no Masabafi. These Egyptians can actually do better. And some of the money out of former in recent times, post Gedo, the Oba weekend, no, Amer Zaki
mo.
Sa generation, no, Ombe fa femu we na no. They no nimbo obo no kra na otimi tu ka mebe obo Roma by Ajax. Yeah, he got the Bebo West Brom and all. But middle Ajax, Roma, Tottenham, but in the more Mohamed, yes, Mainz, Dortmund. So,
Omo bo mo din nyina no. Abutri karo na oje dai.
I have some pan with Zano.
Chief priest.
Because
Ono can be done cranny.
Ono Egypt that time omo generation minimum bia no so no bobo chentre ka no.
Number 8 bino. Abdul Rabiu.
Yeah, Hosni.
So I'm back. Ahmed Hassan the band elector the bobo ya. And another Bakubisu or Middlesbrough. No say
Shocky.
See. Boy now captain Ipswich Siciano. Or Egyptian. Oh yeah.
Spurs cry now where is Gali
Oh some Gali. But your
yeah.
captain
Yeah,
Ipswich
yeah,
this
yeah,
year
yeah.
or Egyptian. The one ball
Also on Boban.
we trum ban. It's okay. I also moko.
Mercy.
Some mercy. Sure. When somebody money from Egypt or to South Africa.
Yeah.
South Africa for instance no notice. Now they don't have major exports outside in the top leagues. Benny McCarthy, Mumben, Nemukoyen. Now see, South Africa don't have that. Omun energy some about South Africa, but the Egyptians should be going. Munko. Ebe Boamu. Adia Morocco ni Algeria the beat you.
And no Hugo Bruce catches South African players and they said, "Ofu said Brennan was a boys in the call Europe because born on my ball chromono. And you can some of the tenant
Sally.
coach, national team coach, also was boys in the movie out because call outside now. National team, a basa wushie bia Argentina, wushie unso because no man able equal more the same qualities, but more the ball fee.
Okay. Stefan said the opportunity to meet Argentina might even be remote. And then AFCON. Fine, local players, but Boni. But don't boy tia or more boy Europe.
Cote d'Ivoire for squad.
To beheading. So, Kofi Bufu no moto baleba ima won finfiwa. You must not match Shama.
Awari kitabo no piaba.
I'm reciting in Nama, na baleba ni jinechiri. Enko. I mean, Abuba good.
Mo.
Omit ma to ama o, omit ma ope we ya na. So,
You want we sound so yeah you are to so
oh, but omo
Professor bi pa o.
Na no na many course o. Omo de no efititi. Omo the team ne ba at least we nya 6. Either some for Belgium and France. No more ball. Henrietta Ilunga time. Na say Marcel Tisserand, Germany. No Obama mu echi. Chancellor Mbemba. No mo nemu. Look, you've got to spice up. Omo njai so omo tena honom because Mamush ne sala nkwa akwa level. Na wie beba. After 2 years, you don't expect Salah to be who he is. Then they have another guy at the forefront, which is good for them. I agree with Michael. Declan Rice has not transformed us now.
Samu.
Yeah.
Kana.
Neodina Dieno. Only name nebo. Fancy. Bruno Fernandes by Man U. First 18 months. Transformation. Exactly. Here, Liverpool defense pre Van Dijk. Any Van Dijk buy. Here, Liverpool pre Suarez ever. Any Suarez ever.
Yeah.
Fancy. That is the kind of transformation. And now we expect to say Arsenal will be taken to the next level. Rice in your mind, now Arsenal way. Rice buy Arsenal calling. For the period he's been there, has he been able to transform Arsenal?
This is where Van Dijk had the opportunity to work with Klopp. Who you tactics to change? Say you motivated player relationship up there. Share Bruno Fernandes post Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Now sometimes some of the games be now Ole Gunnar Solskjaer humanitarian grounds.
Yeah.
Our the year to bring the best out of these players. Suarez had the opportunity to work with Brendan Rodgers. Rodgers how controlling the Subai and said, it's bringing the best out of him. Me, I believe. Now, Messiah Kesu Subim say, Ateta Yama Arsenal players now too robotic.
To one court to the end of
because I saw Declan Rice under David Moyes.
One court say, Omo money out to set pieces in so. And he say, corner kick, and I say be a free kick, I best string a bona ban man fan shigwa or my shorty ideas.
Arsenal you too robotic.
Declan
Rice, me so up under David Moyes. O share omone woman about final no cry. Good. A conference league. Fiorentina. She box to box proper.
No na me person.
One first drive the ball.
All West Ham no. No, no masses.
No anymore.
No box to box.
So, inti minim say dia me man coaching course ni ba Pate or Jorginho. Dey inti na Arsenal for that so man ko akire sa.
Opedo be pim area ball sama.
No, but some area ball dey ba na ye kopim. Na say cry Rice omko omni Liverpool ball 2-2 no. Merino go no Rice na ball free kick. Sompa FM. So, now my worry is I said he's restricted.
He is.
Because ball now all born. Right, so she goes. Oh, you be baby.
Coach, no baby on farm. I said,
Okay. The other guy no number 10 and also your number 8, sir.
Yeah, man, free roll.
Now say ya na to be about double inverted number 8. Oni Kubo. Kubo wings and so.
No, Merino na ebo.
Oni Merino.
And it should be Mendy more. Asa. Whoa. Madam I say, you could break a buy a banner about shum. I shall active in a day as I call Abba. Okay, Mr. Abba. Yes. Well, tell me about Miss Channel, but money and so be baby and so on my way. Malaria drone in here, what tested malaria na a basse and one more general positive and quandia. What drone a time about Miss Channel and a Brahma malaria free more general one time. You will draw one of my I'm say yes, so I know. Nemum time about Miss Channel to us here. Na many Pedriana and ya what dema po no man tropiani and your dead drone a time. Helba Mixture time HH Helba Mixture in the capsules and suni CSC money just a member Massetana and some like come about say a che a from say Jamai where you tight our broken Ramua. Our fili on copying Quatana Bontema will be wine sat 10 congo fast and be a man to Miss Row. But money and so bounce will be PB and Mana Beman Sunumbi. I 0244 417669. You could break abe bana ya baba tuaso. I am come quick.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yeduma bia yedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi fix one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye fe scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na Atomic Down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na Kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no u free Total Filling Station na yabron sign no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada popem eda memela witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade eno so biem
what time about me share see you queen why me say
bra said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fie for enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about me sha ho adanse a wiase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time about me sha
anya anu ko die nanu mato a wontumi anidie no wadra ni time about me sha edre anya ma oba wa fa afuro de wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about me sha edre bi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atride malaria bi ansa
ayo se time ni TIME time about me sha afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Obosaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me say abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dada bi ko so anu ti ka me ho ne ko hwede wo mbia expectation ka African Spider-Man e ba be sebo abofra yi ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fam. Ana police me di one dance section me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so he no a boost me immune system. Ama say me train na me ntebe. Me timi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dum so ekoso. Me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Enye je na koso he. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going? Who for me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture ewo pharmacy anase herbal shops apim for eni nkola omundi fie dumienu enom FDA agigede nkatwe atu
Mamenhye time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa eyadro se emani pedua nkwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwen yare ansan wa kwakoto fire wadro nanom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebedwaso wonno a na the time HH herbal mixture edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
se wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture eyadro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe yi atum na ede na aya obayi a oda forma so ne yafunu mu emunumuni
oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi bi ben fie pi nanso ne yemu nyono da se me kire no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa
menyi ni say what ulcer tamfo hexa capsules any hexa mixture yanum bom kotia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada ulcer dro de eno ne hexa capsules any hexa mixture
akom ni nchiremu
ulcer yekura eto yefunu ene ensunumu etumi a wo yefunu ekeka wa wogire wo ho a enye ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how aye ulcer de a kope hexa capsules any hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu atu a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228855 Apinfo abatan ya woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
Satan for FDA age edwadie nkratoe
confident smile Yas toothpaste and toothwash Karen brand for Karen families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver.
Whoa, yemre na fe yemre to so live on TV. Sompa TV and now live on radio no Sompa 93.1 FM and a Facebook. So I was so bad na wababe kan ye babe din komona. Ya near accelerate amo team no and babe din komo minim se no no there because send domo big game MTN FA Cup and run of 32. And ya sante koroko we and so a moment I was say omo capture na so omo fan ye. Chese accelerate. Opening na bibia find the Robert bibia come there okay edin say no no okay me that's p yes na hexa mixture ne capsules no e wo dwa so o te say twagu we no ye ne kan say stomach cross dro tatahwe eno no we be a stomach cross ya de ba ko e ha dwen pa ye funu ya de wo yam ayekuro wa udidi aboe wa ne din so aboe ene wo hu say udidi unso hu say unidi ningina na de ha ene bantu yam ayekura dro no ye hexa HAC and a hyphen Adam CER mixture ne capsules misro ya bomori an so the mixture no ebefa eye capsules e twa say untimi ntobako enya bako oba wa fafro enye maw oba no oni murumfie dumie no emane numbi ana banso a wa foforo enye maw se yo bia ya no wani su chinwo wote so boso ehihyew ebiem eye se odabia no ubusu ya na se wote se bia wakoma ho ehihyewane nyina na dro no eye handsome mixture ene ne capsules no ene ye kanfo ede amababi atodro bia akwa dudo bia be so tubia no sabeka nemum se wo be se o friends wa number no eye 0240 238310 Hansa Meshan the capsules Obajibi Joy Kim Roofing Company Limited and your roofing sheet be also the ball down so your roofing sheet be all my the board down so we are 1 million that woman pump from a fire pan found whom not just all dining now swapper ewia ba edamo aye hyehyehye ade asankra na osan kebia edam aye nyunu no entimi nya nyunu oje ho anje ontimi na ye but roofing sheet abeboa ebe absorb aye heat ni na fe ato akowi manwumre na dem aye nyunu enso ya manunti ana ma joy kem ese no mo nkasa wo mo ye free estimate ade chekwa say IBRS aye IOT MSL NHS euro 1000 ho akade ni nyina no wo benya bi awo joy kem enso ho na omo ewo kumase ya sokoba na mpame wo ni police station D enimhwe 0540 125816 na emperfono enso enjo so na diakabia momfa so obo aye herbal and medical research center wose yenka ncho se wa wakoma ebo periperi wakoma na emoye ebia wa bakti ehwan ana se bia wokom eye wo ja wotachi se bia na se aye titiriti ya na se atatai aye high blood pressure enso na hawa mamadi enso obeko ama obo herbal and medical research center emperfono enso ahwomo so mu treat stroke and diabetes and kidney disorders ni nyina no and so omba boa manyo so I find ediama Accra womo kaso official town honom na be hu honom ana fe me kaso Kumasi a adoato adomenu ho anomo omo na de eye prekese powder ebai a chese boakam ana odin herbal bitters no omo so ana de ba edwaso eye 0249 761508 na onim panfo no ensom enkasa yes yemre na fe yemedi nkomo entoa so yene accelerate empanfo no ene kasa wonom ene ne asante koroko ebonyame ya ma kwasiada eno ay MTN Africa run of 32 some ba baba na munzuro
Insuro
sa
Insuro Baba Yara Stadium say will be at the National Stadium T. Insuro.
Okay. Yeah, we was not before. But boy, mutim no komo kakra bia make us we kwa na first time will be team nka mo team ben no.
Accelerate FC or Asokore Mampong. Hona team ni busy. Division 2 club. This season I start here. Yabo Division 2 Asante Regional League ni bi. Nti me say team no kakra meeting aka found a very good quality players so young talented players in you recruit them.
Wow.
For marketing.
Okay. There's a momo diane de more compete all right but a quantity BSA be a nipa benya chance akwa oko.
Yeah, sanity.
Oh, okay. So countries na madi can they players ni be gonna be here.
Okay, we need a first say
okay.
First season but your office no want to
Sompa Sports.
I'm out.
Well, Sunday mobile big game. A game I was say minim said more for moment in the same.
Oh, moment in the cool the mind. Young fan and young who be I may say Asante Kotoko a big club said it will be any no be a big. But the game in terms of game in the on the field no 11-11. In a very fan of match after match 11-11 one of field no so.
Kra
emoyehun time I say boys no mo showcase on talent omo because Asante Kotoko play so free baby na ba mo showcase on talent no mo buy
yes
nti eduru boys no say omo showcase on talent mo bia hu de ewo mu
nano or say tutu also a defender
but why
I find opposition no
left center back
whoa natural we left footed
yeah.
So you want to marry?
tena se bɔɔl taa san wɔ hɔ paa saa ho ma kɔrɔkɔfoɔ no nso ɔmo tie mu ma kɔrɔkɔ team no hu ebia player anaasɛ players a ɔmo hyia ɔmo on Sunday.
Coming into this game, on Sunday, we the playing body, we are highly motivated. Yeah, opinion for about how the game is and how important this game is to us as the playing body and the team as a whole. Because Kotoko is a very big club. So no Kotoko will be because Kotoko is a big club. Fans, some more fans, continental and globally, they are there. And we are an upcoming team. So and you say Niba Martin because we are going to showcase a very good football and also we are going for a win. We are not just going there to showcase.
Well, the hotel can you front on Nana or say tutu. Masa inti actually am say tutu nyoma wa chiro anya some ketwa krana. Abraham drawn a buy am who say ya pay mono korokone banana camp. It is say.
Okay, we are expecting something like that because going into the round of 32, the Campbell Cornerstones traditional club and it's about Seshi All Stars.
No mu you nyina sin chen.
You both Seshi All Stars. Unlike CSR draw against Kotoko. Ni nyina any home team.
Okay.
And at these games we have home team. I was a stadium, Bayer Sports Stadium. Bayer Sports Stadium in Kotoko dia, but I say national stadium team be team for war. So we are very, very relaxed going into this game. Yeah.
Is the confidence for me? Sompa Sports. Well, I don't say to and so and na apart from Nkomona ebia management technical team and Mudino. Many one kasa playing body because Msan ebia captain vice and boys and one to me share your home meeting yade. Again I'm one kasa so more comfort match.
This game it's a platform to make a name for ourselves, make a history for ourselves as players and also to highlight our name there and stuff. So we are very poised going into this game.
To more qualify.
Yeah, qualify. It's either we qualify or we win.
Okay. There's a qualification bet me be a penalties na more be qualify.
I qualify.
And answer mo be shekoroko pa na che so mo you almost in
16 is the goal.
Hey. Open yedu.
Di barrier.
Na ankwada dey na mo show mo. Because confidence level in the crowd is serious.
And then the chase was mini business.
Wow.
Yeah. Because all my business center.
Sompa Sports.
Project in sanity. Until you do time I say marketing or colano. Until they say do side time media and you'll be never catch you. The winning now okay. Two could show who get to talent and I'm be who say Osuni. Until now the air or hormone and that training grounds on so. Yenyamu who be all Kotoko match and the issue other than one you go so.
Okay.
And you know, be enemy the obey no pitch so.
Because Obi I was here my first mechanism first season any. Now we share corners, share Serie All Stars. Serie All Stars in team get wow. Corners will be any dada.
This year I'm qualified by Division 2.
Yeah.
This year,
yeah.
And I'm qualified by.
That's the last year.
I'm more your friends a project need me know about it's some project you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and project in Nasa.
Okay.
Yeah, and your team no young Uncle.
It's much anyway.
You train was a Colombo SOS school no one.
Wow. Wow.
Now my bomb matches is away.
Yeah, boy, your matches for Wesley College.
West School.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, most of my fans in the crash I said about Alhaj Mohammed Hafiz was say other teams have different motives. Some play to win, others play to draw. But we only play to win, and we are winning against Asante Koroko Nyameyadma Sunday MTN FA Cup run of 32.
Fancy. Oh, check the terrain of Division 1 and Division 2 clubs. And Vanessa, for example, Benab or Mafa community near war that side, no so kakra, so they are boom kakra. Money or moon to say, and I also supporters base in it is saying, or more bar, or moon in term Kitan would it say.
Say you know basa bi ani but akoye say rivalry because of your normal ebeni ntino.
Oh, okay.
We share sa na ya na match no mo ai sanity but we game no to nche dia your friends.
My friends pa. It am I ready said na me adoma Sunday. Omo nyina eba.
Area boys are recruit woman. Nti anomanyi boys wom. Area boys no mudos wom nti area bia be rise over supporting me.
Then den so cross account.
So we say ni aketo ebo against Asante Kotoko nti omo so beba so mo support omo nwan mo nketo na omo so nya opportunity say omo showcase omo talent against Asante Kotoko no.
Oh okay. So
their appearance no so omo so ba be hwe omo ma say the omo si okay. Team
na club ni din nso because accelerate 8 ewom ana Z the attack can Z no enso count ya pa ma obechire mu ara
aha nti we ni accelerate but say we confuse am for because draw no cry by no now go for be bring team within by normal spelling of accelerate now. This is the modern day.
Okay, yeah. So say now you're registered.
Yeah, registered. Say now you're registered.
Wow.
But the pronunciation is
accelerate. Yeah.
Okay, because I be contempt.
I say accelerator down.
Yeah.
But I'm so fancy.
So now me produce as me say now. The story behind accelerate, you know, at the end of the buy, and just a dinner back.
No, the story behind accelerate, say a cool dinka kind. Now a project and of course, now a Manchester Sporting Club. Team Nangas, now don't know him say a Manchester Sporting Club, but the owner here say no, we need to go a different direction. And on also footballer, the modern trend of football, recruitment of youth, young and energetic players are. Wait my boy, now what me put your career no on a better skill, and I say something like that. Say be on Bobo now a transition. It is, you know, so if we course now so about accelerator at the same transition and if we are saying now our motive near say obit my kwamane. So yeah, every match we have videos of every game be about whether a division league, whether a FA Cup, even say about friendly matches we try and take videos or RBO. After every game, I analyze every the mistakes, every the good.
Division 2 team, no?
Yeah. It's
to see the
Vice Scout. And fancy one thing.
Division 2.
Yeah, one thing. Even and I say join, but Sir Vice Scout now, Vice Captain come out. Share the whole Ghana here. The last time I check here, no, I just say I'm your club by Dasubi. Yeah, and we compete with teams like Real Madrid, FC.
And then many business ampa.
No, we mean business. And on say football no, you see Nasesa and this all for Penina division no be what 30 something years on match in.
Na mo ya mo de ba kwa to so yes be shame utipima na say one no kwabra ne ba no wa kwa ni mo an say na.
Yeah, then nyesa oba even oba your matches are Sundays they be well organized. Unlike other compared to us, well organized. In fact, the Madam Sandy, Kotoko be talking about branding. Yes, be talking about branding.
Hey!
On the foot of plane, you never check about breast anymore.
Well, Mons Abdul Smoke was say players to watch on Sunday. Abeku and Rahim of Accelerate.
Rahim no na team captain.
Okay, only ball position
number 6. Proper number 6.
Rodri Dianibia.
Papa.
Anna, I know so.
Or winger.
Left or right?
Right, baby. Front line in money.
Hey. And a corner must because I'm Quadabis and I just a Canadian Ras and a game no. Only say you have nothing to lose, but one more and not they have something to lose. Because my cousin Bass a shower a tsunami no. And it's a corocoma accelerating Shana Basa. But don't move your confidence level now, boys. No. Yeah.
Coach, come maybe say a question one say. Oh, have been up in Kotoko the other time we FA Cup. Oh, share bomb boy. Going into this game, pa, then pa na we swim free Ben up for no while. Open so the coin because Mama Kotoko tough time. It take Kotoko last minute goal to secure a win over Benab. Game net team.
I know na mfiti ya semidi ka kacha say ye be Asante Kotoko di na tonche.
Di Asante ma lash wo mo ngasa.
And you be respect Asante Kotoko say big club be tonche ni a player to player. on the field.
No ma player to player.
Player to player on the field.
Player to player, one buso 72. Koroko abetamo epra. Kojo poku aba. Koroko asaso asani eduku. Wa oni kojo poku said in the morning bo city. You are coming up against a Koroko team or most strikers and they are scoring game after game. As a vice captain, they are not can they are found.
There's a first time to everything. Yeah, Kwan Poku is a very experienced player about Africa, about locally and stuff. But coming into this game, no, I'm very confident. Yeah, we will play against them.
No
problem.
Hey!
200. K University. Communication design.
Hey,
I'm Poku
too. Because confidence level no is serious. Anna said we see an sana na bobo besi ai. I'm so crowd approach on shanam pre-un tragedy bia but born on the say be san ho pa. Anna
yeah.
Today na Kwame Poku expect.
Oh, nothing but the best for me and the team as a whole.
Hey, Koroko musimu peba mashia o. Coach, I'm no
Pama me hunu ebo rate ni ala because Sunday they are almost ticket the
Pama someone am go home.
Any go home. Now one thing the fancy. On say about accelerating, one thing is that we put the career of the players on accelerate.
Yes.
Say be amount for bonus okay.
And temper
na pa oko now oko.
Because Sunday match we bet me making most of.
Squad and even players we cry edit around that see. Only Palmer FC. I think say one Anomanji team were from Palmer. More players be 6 Uma be joining a club now. And we are going to put their career on acceleration now. Maybe I come. And so share wait now. Popular stand 20 CDs. And a center line 30 CDs. And a VIP 50 CDs.
That's right.
30.
Center line
VIP 50.
VIP 50.
And a popular stand
20.
Because
Koroko form.
Because fans will say you post your handles and I'm say because supporters no we there. Junior side. They will because junior side.
Junior
team there. Anyone should meet match 5.
Hey!
No, there be say junior team. Because junior team no dey bad there.
Nana Kwesi Yeboah say we Koroko will score this team 7-0 fala.
Fancy. No one say
Alhaji Mohammed say with no disrespect to Koroko. We will score them. The scoreline is 2-0 in our favor.
Wow.
And I also identity and also.
So I'm some the youth team member. Me there, Menka say no disrespect to Kotoko.
Okay.
If they bring their senior players, we are going to score them.
Because some more pass PM.
Fans don't say obi oba share match o West could be a bit make their dance here say. And you say be o kasa say dey Kotoko nebo. So share say you stars aggression say you stars for the ball. And you be na Kotoko for the ball. Omo create more yes. Omo bank as the insurance no money bo. Until this time on the fancy and na me kind no. Obi ambra ntem one man ntem so dia we ba na say
goals. Omo ma shame goals na we.
I dem mention in Temana.
Omo share in Temana. Omo possess ball na.
Otoko so onya share ba kwa na pressure be da no so. Nti e bon price obi an.
Nti mo wusa ni o mani nyina.
O da bi. E bon price obi ambra. Na me ma Sunday so obi an tena fi. Because obi say accelerate for no mu jomo. You say nim dra. Average cry is 18. Average cry 18. And meet me the your group picture meet me there at
vice capital to
say I won't say yes. And we offer a cool team no about KG on the last 2 seasons. Only the captain KG on now Ashanti region there or Bantama Kukwasi no. So it means say I mean yeah. It means I mean
now one on the height and the over contamo. Because where the height the mood channel say
Minu or Horma KGL no Moko Accra no last year 2 SR team no.
It's obi pese obobia. You remember game this be.
Sure. Obi pese obo e ba accelerator. Yeah. The tennis
opportunities be amanone clubs be in among your
opportunities be and amanone partnership in there due to 1 or 2 is been I think but say make actual why scouting that's no cry a huge privilege edema players
because are there
say ukosha say any teams like Real Madrid FC Barcelona agent be also until after game no analyze ba
you will be videos or be highlights or a bit team that change and to say, oh, you have this player. I mean, or Shana, wait my say we have Family Charles and say BBC. And over so book club now. Monitor a page and Accelerate FC on Facebook and Accelerate FC on Instagram. As time goes on, they fly back for justify your inclusion. I think say after quarter game no. Okay. Game I bet my justify.
Yes, after quarter game no more. Now we who or mama.
Yes.
We
be beko.
I'm say boy we dear. Me who say them in describing them mama. Coach, me nim say bibi on my sorry so be ma because I'm say I'm fans need team mo partner predictions so ba no mo dey but we say Kasa yam from Akoroko score you and I was say anytime goal scorer I break with the magician. I'm so on team the power say Kasa yam from responsible levels Kasa and I just want so e dey no and so buy shout out to Tunchi nom and the guys in na what coach yenti we
I'm say bohu your boys na e was screen so no nti
oh okay
yeah nti yam say dem kan your project no your ma bi a collab by 2 years for 16 years now by 18 years we team develop so when develop I see ja kwan dey akola for a day
wow
eba
no time to waste
yeah your project no nti no yam ma so ba be nyini bibiri wo dabi nti wo ba no nim the reason when ti a wo ba team nim nti ne your project no sana project na etie ena yekɔ game nim so a em sɛ sɛ de amanfo adwebe wɔn sɛ de yɛkasa wɔn bɛkasa bi a wo yɛ ba be showcase bi keke dabi nya no ntini yɛ ba em sɛ ba for win because yɛ pɛsɛ o pɛsɛ wo yɛ the best I play with the best asante kotoko yɛ so mo yɛ best nti right now yɛ so yɛ pɛsɛ yɛ the best nti no yɛ kɔ akɔ play a win match no yɛ pɛsɛ yɛ round of 16 nti round of 16 yɛ nti more opportunity bi a sɛ
o de do gyina mo kwan mo bi a mo mfa ho
sɛ wo be win two win and anya the kwan akɔ the round of 16 nti match we new option bi a sɛ yɛ win match no nti by all means yɛ be win match no
okay now say to vice captain dia na abeso so bi
because one of the biggest weapon hoodie against Asante Kotoko no yɛ on say Asante Kotoko a very big club am established omo like many footages around call YouTube and stuff omo ball Premier League games now call home footages so on and our coaches have tried their best so many footages some players to know how they play their game, how like their strategies they use when playing and things. So I may who see a game no to suit them. I bit me like I will overcome it or more strengths. You know, so this game we are very poised going into the game.
Hey, and I'm saying training grounds will be a ground better than now with you. Well, Palmer,
boss. We did a better moon now. Say mutimai South Kunyawi. Ya betina abeka about match no once.
Sompa sports.
And yeah, show be able say na me aduma Sunday. Ebemo obia Ghana ni bia enye fantastic football she. Because we say Ghana there. Be say the ball to from near ball. One she could be no man for beka say oh accelerate no kotoko game no. Better than has no kotoko born and say oba she. Because born obia better form obia ni ball. It is an ABC.
Kumasimai.
Yeah, running support to
Kumasimai say your support.
I bono.
We project our more yana. These are the same people are. In no time, omuna besa be nyina bebo ye kotoko ni has ya. De bia ye beka omo wasem. Iti munko na omuna ebo as home team. Wo the fan say as part of omo project no. We and they support you omo. She are 20. She are 30.
Yeah, 50 cities.
Na kwa show. Wo the fan say wo the boy for there improve omo project omo ye because we nkura we mu abebi omo be da omo come match aduane omo be di ka omo be fa ojamte aduana for no omo ya ka omo be fa ne adade nkura na akofa prado na sem ne nkura de aba no iti e ho no wo hwe ske kumanye ska ketwa iti madaroma come and watch the game koroko supporters ye ni mo ye ni de mo betimi aye mo supporting nkura no mo aso na mo kan ye be ma mo ska na so qualification ye be dey ye be fire there koroko supporters that's what they say nkura no so se mo me ma iska mo wie so a ye mpanyufo ne mo ahwe kra ne asaje qualification asa ye dey every musem iti ye be he o manim so bibia beba na be support accelerate any Kumasi Asante Kotoko game
yes or say tutu nana or say tutu no or no height dey overko ntemo now we team our support outside there the empire na wunya e bia o dream club that be onya abebo
Arsenal. Yeah.
Arsenal. And I Liverpool in that one. And I my use to one pan and canyon. I be shedding and itching. I will call you and I was channel.
You are.
Hey,
yeah,
Papa.
Fancy. I just one thing say, really fear. Also, we get process now. But send them guys say we got phone number. Yes, or some about but on the FA Cup need different from league na ebono. And the Barca great process no. The Ebenya sana got phone in Subenya. So they should come and support us and then also watch quality football from the young lads. When you say after game, you won't say under 17 as for the most Ebenya callers back home in Bia. Which my boy nice.
Okay,
that's it.
Okay, yes, what that's Nana all the best. Why? Monkwana monkoche mo hwanim na mo fenwem na monya ne quick eno enso eno no. Yes. Aye ba so ye ba ne aba behwem na ya to aso nche bi abrane so a ye be register ye be famo na maba so na maba be chema adwen e wo show no so yes. Yeah, the must accelerate for no eno no mame hala myama kunta. DSI Daniel Amwako. DSI Daniel Amwako Immigration School. It was sinful school. Or say on the members no Elvis Alakawen afe do say and Michael Ohene one more officers Bishop M say omo fe show ni abokra
DSI Amwako
and was say me namesake o tell say my 12 former Tom Kwem Williams and Kwina people
baby girl be am the be school January until me back
so won so
dey training and more training January
yeah
so na ya ka joint here me am me fa man
okay and bibia ni an wo hu me
hu nkoye dey faka no fa baby girl tinem fa ne magum straight to that
go school
so fa ne hu me o ha ma ko bi abaye
Bishop team no confidence level was
oh yeah minimum crano cast
wow
minimum so I'm happy say mo say hwe ma obia na dan crano Shadrack me no nya asem enya 100 cedis tidan mbe wi ano pe fancy en crano omubo or height akwanya ba mo for mo ntukwan
yeah
ma obia metra ba ye na me ni ya na me ye say me argument sankra we me hu ne 10 obeko 10 fancy mo two kan no kobo first na acknowledge and height now football no you hear height especially as a center back man Saliba and Van Dijk mu gina ya hu ana Ronaldo Araujo he ne height gina so be ma brani angasa we obere nam kakra na odidi kakra ni mu yedu ofan ori na de ne kakra kan wa oko ball no nimbo ball ne da ho a also a left center minimum.
Wow.
Minimum can have come and near Corres album. Kukwasi. Among Bruno phone the ball final no Michelle Brown for J Cup no on penalties. We were there. Ntino Obiamra Babaya when I met Makusiada. Now on Meshibi. Now I'm base never square man pon and Kasankasa or Somoba. Enra near course between any mado.
Serious o ano pe kra say nim san kan bi won asa wutim say onye ready say obeka na atom shark minim say nim aro de no ho na ready ana amobe me etia na ma me etia because em say enioma ekoso ha adwen na say na mic kan no ana sometimes e bia won hwe messenger no but no tie message na e ba no
fancy nipa na osan sa young apostles letter no
dem say betimi etia nim kakra
bro wa refusi no say much is bebre ya ni esisu no okofi kwa unduda which for the Africans are unduda which we do get o Johnson no true was a car everything over car now refi say ono dey o be say the only thing na fa no na munim say ni pa kwa akoma na dey ball na ye kokra wo se ma yenka enu gafia aba no e na ka mo dem enu na mo se ye charge me dem me lawyers go kwa kasa me person kasa be but evidence no wo ma ye na me so maka and I'll stand by this evidence no so ye nya ye se e see wakala was match ni yeah yenfa the same handsome they see ye be united now to you yeah yenfa ya sama yes say I'm sorry manema and society. Yes, sir.
Nti no now post okomeki or X and discuss and a report no say the president of Young Apostles FC and former ESCO member of the Ghana Football Association Samuel Enim Ado has been charged with misconduct by the Ghana Football Association. Na say post no okomeki or X no so na omode yes charge no and so e di abon to bishop no
Kotoko. I blame them a lot. And yeah, I come here. I say, we own them to be so. I am paying for. And supporters need no. Especially the young ones. Fancy. I'm born on a pink car. Any IMC no. I'm born muja. I'm busy on questions. Then till I'm calm on the tune. Saako visa and seminar course. So ni bi na mo hu. Ase ya nsesa Subayan. Ebe bresa.
Samu
bi anka no kre. Obi esuru. Na we ayo fascinating crew. Umia okem. We mi ana na project twatwe. Kotoko kobobo America. Omunya visa. Para manfo na ho anya.
Sompa Sports.
Kind of football paying for the same. If you see Chatro, you're there or your visa dada. Who can buy you? See you. It's some let and one sign. Penny deal. I'm a visa service and no money be a manana. Young apostles let her know about mind the sign.
Think George, don't fear.
Yeah, Radum Feniban. So I'm quite busy or missing it. I may be some. Mr. Open, young Kwame and Yavis and Biamo. Osako to Richard, until Kotoko secretary to Yamo. Backward, the Yamo. Okoronko is some of the modelist coin way in the DFM.
No equipment officer for years.
In the DFM. Yakobio, say and Kobida, and a sinky who bida. Yakubida. Yankopon, or quite of us in your mouth. I'm mammy dear. The Biamicada will be moving chimpa. Fancy. I'm so more off. Now North Carolina and a Black Stars and Mexico born. I must send me accreditation where I approve it. And I'm cynical. See, I'm the Kayaba near drive a call. Listowell, used to book us in El and a Markaduamofa.
Okay.
And so and they are from. And I make a chance let us
go.
I'm sure me there.
Open driving.
My boys next year, I'm going to continue. Me train. One of our boys Simba. Make just say, you see, I'm very playing the on the way, Jacob. But Tom Kruger does your back. Fancy, 2 hours, I'm on my 3 hours. I'm saying, I'm on my dear. Baby. Mamma is also locking up on some of my MP. I may buy a medina here, me, Jan, or baby. And if 40 minutes, na muse Moses ama paka every. No say our tese me wo US. Na me wo Hifa, na me so me wo Columbus. No see you. Black Stars match no. Osre me mama nko. Na me nkanche me kicha so say man nko. Ya na na bufo no. Yi nyina ya mbra Washington DC na. Omo bebo. Na ya meka contingent no na omo numbers no. Anso. And the FA Brinya or any Brinya, a can. Inti Apatoka Kotuna, a boss. Yeah, I know the Name ha call university, ha call embassy has a fancy. The Dama for the buyer. How would you players? And your more officials and the buy. A woman said numbers now Sunday, but they had enough to play the game.
Yes.
Mediama, I'm not disrespecting Moses. Any takwa, any mediama. Na kotoko. Operations. Manager or baby. Go George O Penny Ben O or baby. Goalkeeper's trainer. Coach Adotena or and penny for more team no players no so do na buy. Ne drew muso amo de kotoko foku drew on. na nipa bi free FA duru ha omo football fraternity nim monaka dum fa mu na omo akọ visa no ya ama Richard Ose akoto ya ama no yeah that's very free on one man until now people because of pecs even so can say me no kra almost anwagum when it is to discredit any mado don't for yes na unya de and the team no more horo ntoma wa bontin any mado sisi rado mfere banso sisi na area sense ani e fancy just because of pecs people can't even
Sompa
talk anymore.
Sports.
We blame the Kotoko people because mediama could be that trip no more the players any pay you for the coy na Moses na fancy mami fa win so mamira offer boys no could do ya de be chama mabobon o catch omu nyina so strong obi ahwe no so wa no bone crowd Ghana wa fanche nemum this are na ekrom no besan de akọ Ghana obi abekọ hwe na obi andwane udwane anim go ase aka ono.
That was the message.
Yes, your hobby nyesa obi see mekudu kaba MP no so de beto small and catch omo say obi area omo me enko back this aningwi say mediama no ntimi mmobie ma uduru Ghana be catch no no be ma ticket sai fabra nemum it should be say omo mediama for no ma ba US on
omo nyina san return
obi abai moe from start to finish Kotoko were not in control of this process. From start to finish they were not in control.
Okay.
Swim.
Sompa Sports.
Kotoko is saying come ya so come bobo ni bi. Ano ba no. Ye ne na ekọ ball match no. E no sign by. Oba no mu hia no. Come back. Swim. Sanyo man small pegs incentives no mo di wiki na man for udwe ho a on ti ase ani ma do asem na okan no yem fa ne se oni FA no on tokwa but to mu say open young apostles ni ye say be ka hoda and look at the attitude towards it. I don't blame you people. Kotoko no don't fe nkan share say wan ko bi US no kan trip no bi. I'm asking. Ibisano, mra, I'm free Jumedi, so on can change. We are true for Tapukuman Kobi. It's the pecs. Those pecs. Tia 7 years and you. But I blame Kotoko. Because they were not in control of their own destiny. Again, I'm not looking down on Mediama. Say Mediama mpo. To me, I see ya. The boys in Aquasan bar. Nakotoko. So it's the pecs. Obia nye bibia. Onkasa. Emo mu yetim. Ye kono. Some bodum fedi. Avoid monaka mubi. Ene amanu ne mo kan mo ko en. Kotoko management team. Yi IMC ni free wa. Ana pin card serja. Mention tino no we penya abon the brand tino no. I say akoto. He is my friend, so I'll mention him. Yaman Visana. Yaman Steve, you're done for photojournalist. Yaman Kotoko, mom, we manage. Messi, Omo, we is a modern credit, I'm funny no man. But Omo, now, visa. Well, about the can you okay?
My memory, I remember from a course. We 21st clinic at Daroma, expert in sciatica. Ntinine free wachi eba oto ase wonan kokom eba wo 19 wo 92 eba wo nanse sane e de aba ba bia Achilles no wono say o problem ewom emu twetwe a but mo yan so on 21st clinic ebe ka se timi so nan ne mienu nyina bom ene timi so baako enso ebom enti 21st clinic hwehwe na kira kwan branches edoso enso ewo Ghana mamu aba bia obefa bia behu 21st clinic or na expert in sciatica womuntu ase enso mfama one time na fe ekwa emabiem nyeso omo so ano omutu ase enso ana amount ye no aye 21st clinic kwama darman ye fa course no 0551931931
0548 931 931 Obawa Daroma. But money also below the volume on your TV set. And so, Amame. Hello, caller.
Boss.
Yes, sir.
Machana ni kiti
Anani etio.
And the pese mama baso. Na the can rise to about and it can in the one wa bopa wa again. Because all the can rise to know the made for the bit say kasi the money and the etua. No the mano got money Casimiro money supposed like Musua. The guy say the can rise board wa bopa and one question number after the energy performance no. Yeah, after they were they improve my striker is there in 24. Akata no nyo bia enye bibia no ma ja ata tensa nke sempere fo no omo kasa na etwecha ndo mo mpa sai kama ye no mo ja ata asem so ya kire kuma ji lidu na atalete won so omo kasa omo di so mo kasa na mo Sunday je kwa do me paso no na ke be so mo train ba omo je pick up so for 2019 ti ati so ye en tune okay de mo omo petua
Mate, yera see yemfa the next person on the line na fi yem quiet real quick. Hello, caller. Hello? Hello? Whoa, I'm in show. Hello?